So here is the exhaust. Oh. So I do live in Quebec, so it's normal for the underside of the car not to be perfectly mint. I can try to take off this, but if these break, that's not gonna be fun. Well, I guess it's not gonna change anything. Oh yeah. Okay, this is gonna be a bit of an undertaking. Oh my God, look at this. The garage said there was something with my gas tank that they needed to stabilize. That's what it was. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bring your car to a dealership, they said. Said no one. I'm just gonna try to take this off as modular as possible, which means this comes off first. And I'm not even gonna mess around with trying to take it off normally. I'm just gonna immediately hit it with heat and the impact, because those are more than certainly gonna break. I guess I'll try 14. Yeah, I guess I'll try 14. What could go wrong? So I've got the 14 on my, if you don't already have it, extendable ratchet. I'm not sponsored, but these things are amazing. And if that can't take it out, I've got big boy impact right here. So this is gonna take it or break it. So one way or another. All right, let's see where we're at. Gonna hit it with maximum torque. Oh boy, hello, what was that? It's turning. I love that. Wait, why am I doing that? I can just use this. Should be good for now, huh? Better be. Let's see. Maximum torque. Tell me, okay, thank God. Oi! What is that, like, puff of smoke? I think, is that like everything breaking loose and it's just like, must be. Yes, got it. Yes, I got it. Oh God. I mean, we don't need this much, do we? I already have a cutout, so it's gonna sound the same, but now it's time for the obligatory, what does the car sound like without a muffler? Sound clip, start up. What the heck? Give me a break. This is not bigger than a 16. This is bigger than a 16. Wow, okay. I'm deaf. I'm clinically deaf. Oh my God. Time for the last obligatory startup. Right out of the turbo. I need like a contingency. If that falls. There we go. There's new. So got that installed. Plan of action, I guess, now is to bring this bucket over here. Maybe not. And put the muffler here to support it while I do the stuff I have to do. This thing is seriously heavy. Like seriously heavy. Okay, wait, that's not gonna work. How am I actually gonna do this? This thing literally weighs 30 pounds, no joke. So my lack of leverage is not helping me in any way. In any way, shape, or form. Yeah, that side's on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Teamwork of me makes the dream work. Ouch. Ow. That's really loose. Oh my God. They expanded that too much. Too much. Oh. Not ideal. This is not good. Not good. That is like spring steel. Note to self. Don't do that again. No exhaust tip handy. That's what we're working with. Right there. Seems pretty decent. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm unfortunately not gonna hear the first start, but you guys will. That sounds so good. Oh my God, I was worried. I was worried that that was gonna go away because it has a muffler, but holy crap, that's even louder than with the cutout. Oh my God.